my name's Peyton, and this is Ramsey. Ramsey just literally flying through. This is the cave ring.
Alright, go.
My name is Miranda, and this is my dog Maggie, and I like it because it's a fun experience and it's really nice to bond with my dog more.
My name is Nick, and this is BJ, stands for Beautiful Jenny, and I like the agility. It's really fun.
Wow, good job. Good. Yes. Good. Good. Take your time. Give her more way. Don't let her go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Nice. Right there. Playing. Take your time.
Now we got Breeze.
Oh, now how cute is that?
Yes, good girl.
Well, my name is Liam, and this is Hannah. And I really like this camp because it gives her a chance to have some fun.
Guys, come on, go closer.
Close.
Awesome. Good.